A Senate bill aimed at expunging low-level crimes could help thousands of people in Madison County. Senate Bill 117, or the Redeemer Act, was passed and signed off by Governor Kay Ivey. This bill expands the expungement law, which would clear nonviolent misdemeanor convictions. This includes traffic law violations to a marijuana charge. A civil rights attorney says this law can also waive filing fees, which it didn't do before.
The Redeemer Act waives that. It allows it to fall under the affidavit of hardship. So for most people who are sitting, near the poverty level, we're going to be able to get them an expungement for free.
The law goes into effect in July. For more information, visit rocketcitynow.com.